Hello girls, my name is Jeannetttt and today we will crochet a long strap for a handbag. We need polyester cord 3 mm and 2 back hooks. Leave the tip of the yarn for 3 cm, make one A loop and then we need to make 4 single crochet. Meanwhile, hide the tip of the yarn inside the stitches. In the end of the row, make one A loop to lift the next row. And you can take the tip of the yarn and we will hide it into the second row. Turn your work and working yarn is behind the work. And in the second row, make 4 single crochet to the stitches. Continue crocheting until 114 rows. Make 4 single crochet in each row. Okay, we finished. We crocheted 114 rows, and this is a lay of the strap 19 cm with hooks 5 cm. It will be totally 100 cm. Leave the tip of the yarn 20 cm and cut the end of the thread. Pull the yarn from the loop and sew the strap to the back hook. Hide the tip of the yarn inside the stitches in the first and second row. Cut the tip of the yarn. Our strap is done. And here I have a strap for a la Prada bag. I wish you a nice crocheting and share your results.